In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your newsletters and how to set up the time and yes, and then send it off. So if you've not created a newsletter, you want to start with have your email, and then you choose the option that says newsletter. So if you do email and newsletters, okay? And then you click on create. You click on create. Okay. And in the create, you'll be given templates selected or select templates. So I usually go for the simple one, visual editor. You can also go for classic editor, okay, which is plain. So you just choose which one, play around with it. You want to put your name, sender's name, you want to put the subject, you want to put the email where the, where is the email coming from to your mailing list. And then once you've done that, you click on save and it will open up. So let me just create a test newsletter. Okay. And I'm going to say, I'm using the classic editor and I'm going to save. So when I save, so this is the test one, you have to click on it. Okay. It will open up. You enter your title, the proper title of the webinar or whatever information you're sending away. You put your title here. So let's say how to earn $900 a day. Okay. There's something I do, because people receive lots and lots of emails. So I like to put some kind of emoji either at the beginning or at the end of my title. So when it hits the mailing, the recipients, the emoji will make them say, oh, what's this? And they will click to read my own email because people receive tons and tons of emails, right? So I usually go into like maybe WhatsApp and choose an emoji and then I will paste it there. So I've gone to WhatsApp and I picked some emojis on WhatsApp. I look for the one that looks nice. You don't need it to be too much. So I put that, I put a star sign and I put money because we're talking about money. And I will do that also. Put it up and down. So when they receive the email, they can see, this looks different. What is this? Let me open it. And then they open. Okay. And then you can put a preview. Preview is where you have the subject and you have another catchy title, like a title line under. I don't always use the preview, but you can if you want. So how to earn $900 a day. Make this summer the best. You don't have to use capital on the first letters, but you just want to highlight it. Okay, and then here's your body. So you would have received a template in the community for webinars. Okay, so you have to go into the community, you have to go into the classroom, and then go to webinars, pick up the templates there for the webinar for that week, and then you copy and paste. So the template will give you a title. It will also give you a preview. You want to use a preview, or you can create your own preview, and then you copy and paste the content. So I'm just going to flip and show you the webinar for this week and how newsletters out. So this is my webinar for this week. What I do is, so I have my title there. I've got my title there. The preview, I've got last chance. This is what they see when they receive the email. And then hi there, okay, because when people enter their emails into your sequence, we don't collect their names. So if we collected their names, it will be hi Jane or hi Andrew, but we don't collect their names. So hi there is good. To or hello, it's me again, or something. You put a greeting because you start to build a relationship with your audience. So put a greeting, put something that you want your audience to start knowing you for. Okay. This is your last reminder. So this is the email that goes tomorrow. So we've already sent this. This was sent yesterday. This is your last reminder to register for tomorrow's exclusive webinar. So this is copied from the template given in the community. And then you put the dates. This is how I put the dates. You want people to click on it and they see these things that encourages them to click and join. I just feel like it shouldn't be too bland. The email shouldn't be too bland. So just touch up your email, don't overly touch it, but let people start to know your style, how you write, how you communicate with them. Let them begin to know your style. And then click here to join. So this would be the Zoom link. You'll get the Zoom link from the community. And I like to always do the click here to join. So when people click, it will open up to the Zoom. And the time, so it's 7 p.m. UK time. Sometimes what I do is that I also add other countries because everybody in my community, on my mailing list is not from UK. So sometimes I would also have 3 time zones, CST, EST time zone. So people on my mailing list will know exactly what time it is for their country. Although when they click on this click to join, Zoom will also tell them the time it is in their country. So discover the blueprint, why attend, and then you can put the banner if you want to. You don't have to, okay? You can put the banner, and you get the banner from the community also. You add the banner there if you want to. I like to add testimonial, okay? And I like to put link so that people can, if they are interested in signing up for the program, they would just, they have information. To learn more about what the program is, click here, and this will take them to my link, to my website link, because you don't want people to start looking for, people always ask at the webinar, how do I sign up? How do I sign up? And they will always say, go back to the email you received. When I first joined, I missed this for almost a month. I missed it. I wasn't adding my link to my email when I invited people to the webinar. And I was like, why am I not getting any sales from the webinar? I am inviting people, and then I realized, so one of the days, Michelle said, go back to the person in your email. And I was thinking, email. So that's when I started to add my link on my email. Every email I send out, I add my link, okay? So that's it for now. And then I have the image, and then I also put a statement here. I have opened up 10 spots this month. You don't have to, but I do that. So make your email personal to yourself, touch it up to yourself, so that when people receive it, they can, they understand what you're offering, why you're offering it, and access to sign up when they want to sign up. And then for time, so a question someone asked, how do you set up the timing? So you want to click on your tag. So some of you, because I have multiple tags, okay? So you want to, and that's because I have other businesses, and I want to make sure that all the tags, all the people on my mailing list from that tag would get the email. So for me, I have 4 tags here. You may have 1 tag. You need to put your tag, include these tags, and you choose the tag. It will be 1 tag for you. And then you just choose that tag. If you don't add a tag, nobody's going to receive the email. Okay, you need to add a tag. And once you've done that, you exit. Okay, you save and exit. Should give you an option to save. I think because this is already pre-created one. Okay, this is a pre-created one, so that's why I don't have the option to. Oh no, this is already sent. So let me go to one that is not sent yet. So we have this that is going. We are live. We'd like to do another one. We are live. So we are live. I send this minutes to when the webinar goes live, just to remind people that the event is on. So we're live, don't miss out. You can see my emoji here. I can even put this one there. Okay, put the emoji there, and then same information. Okay, click here to join instantly, which is the Zoom link. Okay, and then once you're done, it will say you save. Okay, if you want to test it, you can save and test so that you can see your layout and see the layout looks good, and then your links are all clickable. If the link is not clickable, then you can edit it and make it clickable. Okay, because if it's not clickable, nobody will be able to buy. So you want your links, the links that you add, to be clickable. So after you've done that, you will save, and then you will exit, and then that's your newsletter done. Okay, that's your newsletter done. You want to save and schedule. Okay, so I think the question is, when you save, but you want to save and schedule it, and then the date and time. So we want, like you say, the webinar to go out. I want the webinar to go out 15 minutes before the actual live, so that by the time people see it and they click on it, then it's, the webinar is started and they can just join. Some people may delay and they may not see the notification on time. We're going to give them at least 15 minutes. Sometimes you can click the calendar and you can choose right on time, 7 p.m. if you want. You can say, oh, the webinar starts in 30 minutes. So you give people 30 minutes, you choose the date, the time, and apply. So remember that you're choosing the date and time of your present location. Okay. And then it has to be, you will have to click on the Zoom link to know the time in for your location. And then you're going to choose the date and time of your own location, or whatever location that your laptop is set to, your system is set to. You're going to click the date and time for that. So I'm not going to put a date and time for America when I'm in the UK. Okay. Then you save and you schedule it, and then that's it. And then you just exit once you've done that, and then your email would go at that time. Okay. So I hope this has helped. And if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask on the video, and I will respond to it with a video reply.